rivals. I was wrong. The motion is back and the motion is strong. So what's up, YouTube? We back with another one. So what's going on, y'all? Today I am on the way to the car dealership. It's another day in my life as a car dealer. It's been real slow. I think I'm just gonna go show you guys me working on some cars today. I think I spoke too soon. I think that tax money is drying up. Got a new battery for this Lincoln MKZ, one of them little cheap Walmart batteries. I see why they're so lenient on the warranties, because this is like a super cheap battery. I want to test the voltage on it, so I'm gonna grab a multimeter to test it real fast. This is a multimeter. I don't know if y'all can hear me pretty good or not because I got the mask on, so I'm gonna take it off. But y'all know I got real bad allergies. So I got it on DC. I got it set to DC 20 to test the battery. And then you just put the red side on the red side and the black side on the negative side. Red on red, black on black at the same time, basically. Make sure it's on. 12.6 volts. That should be good. Yep, got 12.6 volts on her. When you install the battery, I'm sure a lot of you may know, but you just do positive is red, negative is black. Plus, red, minus, black, always. And always put the plus or the red on first. This isn't a tutorial or nothing, y'all. I just want y'all to know what I'm doing. That one went on pretty good. The positive went on pretty good. But this negative one, I don't know if y'all can see it, but this terminal right here, that need replaced. But I got it on pretty good for what I had to work with. I had to do a little bending and stuff, but it should work. So I'm gonna start her up now. Y'all see that? Alright, this is my first start. I might got the camera a little crooked, y'all, but y'all get it. So we're gonna let that run. No lights on the dash. We're gonna let all the oils work its way around. Alright, I hope y'all can see it clearly. For this Kia, this radio isn't working right. So I'm not gonna turn the car all the way on. But you probably can't see it, but the clock works. But this doesn't. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take this out and go grab one from the junkyard real fast. I changed out all the fuses and everything. As y'all can see, we got it out, so we're gonna go to the junkyard and go pull another one out. Y'all probably don't even know. In the middle of me recording this, I literally changed some spark plugs on a Volvo. Yes, I do it all. So next, we about to take the tire off of this Kia because I got a hubcap for it because it's missing one hubcap, but I don't know if it's gonna fit. But hey, it's worth the try, so I'm about to do that right now. The frame look good on here. I know I need a floor jack. I got this breaker bar and these to take the tires off. I got these from Walmart. I don't know what's going on today, but it wasn't recording. But basically, this is the breaker bar, and all I do is take this and loosen it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. I just realized I'm not changing the tire, so I don't have to 100% take it off. It's dirty, it's ugly, It even got a little, but it's a hubcap, and I don't even know if it's gonna fit. Let's see. Now that's a good eye. The crazy thing is, I didn't get this on a vehicle. I kind of eyeballed it, and I think it fit. As y'all can see, I'm not afraid to get my hands dirty. Keep in mind, I did spark plugs during the filming of me taking the radio out. I literally stopped and did spark plugs on the Volvo. I got a lot more to do too. Twan is watching the HHR. I just got 2 new arrivals just came in, and I just recorded them coming in. Kinda sunny out, but we got 2 new pickups. They came at the same time. They told them here together. Both from like the Cleveland, Ohio area, somewhere around there. I don't even remember. Hard to keep up now. I'm gonna tighten it more with a breaker bar still, just to be safe. So I finally got this 2014 Hyundai Accent done. Look like a pretty decent car, right? Yeah, that's till you realize I've been bamboozled. They got me. Oh my. Yeah. I just sat on some glass. This window, I had to replace it. I had to replace this window and a Kia window. And I also had to replace this. Now, that's used. This is original, and that is from the junkyard. This piece right here. I've never had anything happen down here until I started doing YouTube. Why would y'all come to a business like y'all not gonna get caught the same exact day? They just pick them up and dump them. I think these are a little harder to steal than the Kias. I don't know. But they broke into this one, but they did not steal this one successfully. So got the window for like 60 bucks and the steering column cover for 4 bucks at the junkyard. I got that yesterday, did it yesterday. You can't get everything at the junkyard, but on a lot of little miscellaneous things, the junkyard will get you right. It's one thing to go to somebody's house, but you come into a place of business, you know it's cameras. You know you're caught. Now you in jail. That's on you. When we found the Kia, they had a music thing hooked up to the Kia. I looked at the officer, I looked at my brother, and I said, how could you have a peace of mind to listen to music while you're in a stolen vehicle? This is her in all her glory. Like, it's not rusty, it's not, it needs cleaned, of course, but like, this is a nice little vehicle, for sure. Grateful that I was able to fix it though, and that it wasn't wrecked. Down here, it will be no Hyundais, Kias. And y'all see I always got them in stock, but never here. Remember I had Twan go wash the Chevy HHR. I didn't take a video of me taking the pictures, so I'm gonna just put pictures of the pictures that I took in this video right here. About to go wash this and vacuum all that glass out, probably sweep some of it out, and I'm about to go put price stickers on the HHR. I posted it, but another thing, my marketplace, when I post vehicles, it's showing up as sold. It's kind of like being shadow banned. Got motion. I'm starting to get messages now though. I took the Kia down and reposted that. I got somebody supposed to come And somebody just said they want to come for the Subaru. Cause yeah, Twan had the Volvo posted and I had the Kia posted, and we was getting messages. And then I don't know if it was cause St. Patrick's Day, it wasn't no messages coming, and that doesn't happen. Like, it's Friday. Usually Fridays on Marketplace, it's not even really good to post. So I got that Subaru posted. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just start back posting on Monday. It's been a long day. We actually do have motion. We got a lot of people coming for different cars tomorrow. I'm at the car wash right now, about to vacuum this Hyundai Accent out. I'm gonna do a good clean on it tomorrow, but right now I do want to get it vacuumed. I did invest in this, and I'm about to get some more of them, but yeah, and I'm going to be disarming the vehicles. This is just phase 1. Got her working. Yeah, did it. So how we doing here? So real quick, my allergies really messing with me, but we started off today with a ham sandwich. We just sold the 2011 Subaru. So yeah, we got us a ham sandwich. I do have another customer coming for another vehicle. I know they're gonna get it, but I'm not gonna record. We clearly have motion today, so it's no need to keep recording every single thing, every single dollar. I'm not gonna record nothing else today, but it's gonna be a lot more done today. So y'all just imagine it as if y'all were there too. I'm just playing, but I got some of you guys comments recommending me stuff for my allergies. So I'm definitely gonna start trying that. But yeah, so we're gonna record more next week. Maybe spending a couple days in the house will do some good, but we got a lot of vlogging to do. But I just wanted to let y'all know I was wrong. The motion is back and the motion is strong. But yeah, appreciate y'all for tuning in. I hope y'all can hear me. I'm recording this off of my phone right now. I don't have my camera on me because this is just out of the blue. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for tuning in.